Assalamu alaikum. I am Romana, your computer teacher. This is for learning term 3 and we are learning introduction to Flash. This video is for grade 6 and grade 7 as well because the student who never appear in the last term and they don't know about the Flash. So this video would help them also. And this is the introduction to Flash, how we can using the Flash. First of all, what is the Flash? We are learning Flash CS3, which is in your book keyboard series, Oxford third edition, and this is for third term. Actually, this software introduction to Flash is basically for the designing purpose, animations, designing, interactive videos. When we want to create any object which and which want to show, we want to show this is animations in the video in the web page, we want to show our animations for designing, so we can use the Flash CS3. Basically it is for the animations, and this is also we have to use for designing purpose. Is package used for creating interactive web pages that combine images, sounds, videos, and animations. This is your book definitions. Basically, this is for animations, your small clips, videos, and sound. You can also add some sounds also. Okay, first of all, this is your window. This is your layout of the Flash, and you can see this is all like this is your tabs. Each tab have a different functions, and you can see there is a file. You want to add the new file when you want to open the new file. I just did that when I just started the Flash software, and just I go to the file and new. I just open the new file. When you open the new file, you can see your layout is look like three or four portions. This is called the toolbar. This area is called the toolbar. Obviously they all tools which we use for animations, for creating our object, for our design purpose. Selections tool and everything is in there. This is called the timeline. This timeline we will give I will explain in the next video what is the purpose of the timeline, but right now you can learn this area is called the timeline. The third area, this is called the stage. Stage mean whatever you have to draw, you have to animate, we will do in this area. This is the stage area. This is the property inspector. This is called the properties. Whatever you have to do in your stage by using tools, you can see all the properties appear in this panel. This is called the property inspectors. It's mean you can change either the properties of the object which is appear in your stage, or either you can edit the properties of any object, any animations, any picture which is drawn in your stage. So this is property inspector, and this is called the panels. There is a different panels. You can see the library panels and different panels. Whatever you do, sometimes I have to create one object, second object, third object, they will all go and store in the library. Okay, so this is called all about this one is your property inspector, stage, timeline. This is your toolbar. This is the main layout of your Flash CS3 objects. And you can see this is the toolbar, and this tool panel have a selection tool, and this is called the sub-selection tool. This is free transformations tool. It's mean whatever you have to select it, you have to draw, you can transform by using this tool. This is a 3D rotation tool. If you want to rotate any object, so we can use this as rotation tool. This is the lasso tool. This is the pen tool, text tool, line tool. This is the oval tool. It's mean the all the shapes is here. This is pencil tool, brush tools. This is the deco tool. This is the bone tool. This is the color basket, or we can paint bucket tool. This is eyedropper tool, eraser tool, hand tool, magnifying tool. This is the color for the stroke color and the fill color. So these are all the toolbar, and we will use one by one when we're creating any animations or any pictures. So this is the layout of the Flash for class 6 and class 7. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.